Bioplastic, moldable plastic material made up of chemical compounds that are derived from or synthesized by microbes such as bacteria or by genetically modified plants. Bioplastics are obtained from renewable resources, and some bioplastics are biodegradable. Unlike traditional plastics, which are derived from petroleum, there has been an explosion in the development and use of plastics. Virtually all current plastics are derived from petroleum through chemical extraction and synthesis. Plastics are polymers, assemblies of identical chemical subunits. The properties of a plastic are defined by the monomers in the chain and by the number of links and cross-links in its structure. Cross-linking of the monomers increases a polymer's rigidity and thermal stability. Plastics can readily be molded into various shapes. CH2, CH3 are molded into a wide variety of everyday and specialized products. For instance, eating utensils, synthetic fabrics. The science and sustainability of bioplastics. Understanding how plastic is made and how researchers are working to make it greener, and their utility and importance have become so great that it is difficult to imagine modern life without them. Plastic refuse is very durable. Despite efforts to encourage and support recycling, many conventional plastics degrade into microplastics, which can accumulate in living tissues and are now found in nearly every environment on Earth. An additional problem with petroleum-based plastics is that petroleum resources are finite. Conservative sources estimate that at current rates of consumption, given that modern life is dependent on plastics, that petroleum is a non-renewable resource, and that petroleum-derived plastic waste fouls the environment. A sustainable solution for the longer term may be found in bioplastics. The first known bioplastic, polyhydroxybutyrate, PHB, from his work with the bacterium Bacillus megaterium. The petroleum crisis of the mid-1970s brought renewed interest in finding alternatives to petroleum-based products, so that by the beginning of the 21st century, the structures and applications for numerous types of bioplastics had become established, which is polymerized from lactic acid monomers produced by microbial fermentation of plant-derived sugars and starches, making bioplastics highly desirable materials for fabrication into biodegradable bottles and packaging film. However, given that biodegradation is deliberately minimized in most sanitary landfills, the diversion of biodegradable plastics from the traditional waste stream remains a logistical challenge.